Hi everybody! So, I've got my tea, I'm ready to craft. Today we're going to be making these really cute teacup shaped gift boxes that are perfect for Mother's Day or just for anyone who really likes tea. There is a pattern that you'll want to print out, but it's 3 pages and you'll want to print each page on a different type of paper. So I'll explain what I mean. Let's get into it. So you're going to need a piece of scrapbook paper and you'll want to print page 1 of the pattern directly on the back of the paper. This is just a lot easier than printing it and cutting it out and tracing it and cutting it out again. So cut it out along the solid lines and then use a craft knife to cut a slit into the paper where this extra line is. It's way easier to do this now before we start folding and gluing. After that, use a craft knife and a ruler to score along the dotted lines. You just want to really gently run your knife over the paper so that when we fold it, the paper knows where to fold and you get really clean, really crisp lines. So once the whole thing is folded, grab a glue stick and add glue to each tab, gluing it all together. So now that we have our cup, you can set that aside for a minute and bring back the handle from the pattern. For this part, you can draw your own handle if you want to. You can really have fun and personalize the shape, but what you're going to want to do is cut it out with a tab on the side. Then apply glue just to the handle and not to the tab. Press that back down onto the paper and cut it out so that you have a 2-sided handle where you can open up the tab like this. Apply glue to the inside of the cup over the line that we cut earlier. Push the tabs right through there and press them down onto the glue to attach your handle. So that's how you make the cup. But now let's make the saucer. You'll want to print page 2 of the pattern onto a second color of paper, and I'd recommend paper that is colored on both sides. You can see that this pattern is a little different because we're going to see both sides of the finished saucer, so let me talk you through it. You should see 6 dots in the middle of the hexagon, so score in between those dots to get a hexagon in the center. Then score from each dot out to one side of this shorter line. It doesn't matter which side, just keep it consistent all the way around. Then grab some scissors and cut out the outline, and then cut the same line that we scored earlier, but on the other side of that short line. I hope that makes sense. Once you fold it up, this is what it should look like. Just like before, apply glue to each of the little tabs and glue it up. And you can see that once it's finished, you can't see the pattern at all. So grab your cup and glue it right to the center of the saucer. To finish it up, print page 3 of the pattern on a color printer, cut out whichever one you want to use, and use a small hole punch to add a hole at the top. Then tape a piece of string to the back and tape the other end of the string to the inside of the cup. Fill it up with shredded basket filler, and you're finished! You can make these at any size depending on how big your gift is, but it's perfect for a small gift like fancy tea or a gift card or small bath products. Or you could also make a ton of these as favors for a tea party, or just make the one for Mom this Mother's Day. So I would love to know what type of gift you would put in yours. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.